Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about how MSI celebrates 20 years with massive discounts and retail expansion, Apple's potential outward folding foldable iPhone design, Nokia achieves world's first immersive call with 3D spatial audio, Adobe's changes in terms of service amid Gen AI explosion, Italian founders fund IFF invest 50 million euros. Blinkit receives rupees 300 crore investment from Zomato, Peru to develop UPI-like payment system and more. MSI commemorates its 20-year journey in the gaming and laptop industry with a two-day event in Mumbai, showcasing its history, groundbreaking products, and commitment to excellence. MSI highlights its legacy of innovation from the world's first overclockable gaming laptop to recent advancements like the first mini LED laptop and gaming handheld, setting new standards in portable computing. The event offers attendees a comprehensive look into MSI's past, present, and future, featuring engaging zones, hands-on gaming sessions, and demonstrations of AI-powered laptops and Creator B&P series. Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone, rumored to be named iPhone Fold, may feature an outward folding design, similar to the Huawei's Mate XS2, departing from the inward folding design seen in most foldable phones. While the outward folding design offers advantages such as a thinner and lighter device, concern about screen durability remain, requiring users to handle the device with extra caution. The potential design shift reflects Apple's commitment to innovation and its response to market trends as it explores new form factors and user experiences in the foldable phone segment. Nokia achieves the world's first live immersive voice and audio call over a cellular network using its Immersive Voice and Audio Services IVAS code technology, part of the upcoming 5G advanced standard. IVAS enables consumers to experience real-time spatial audio, offering a three-dimensional sound experience across connected devices like smartphones, tablets, or PCs, catering to enterprise and industrial applications. The achievement demonstrates Nokia's technological leadership and innovation in the telecommunications industry, paving the way for enhanced audio experiences in future cellular. Adobe updates its term of services, granting itself the right to access user content for content moderation purposes, citing the need to detect and remove illegal or abusive content, including spam and phishing. The changes are attributed to the advent of generative AI, which poses challenges in content moderation due to its ability to create realistic images and human sounding text and audio. The policy changes raise concern among Adobe's user base regarding privacy and data security, particularly regarding the company's access to user files and projects. Adobe updates its term of services, granting IFF, a newly created fund, plans to invest 50 million euros into 25 companies, positioning itself as a sector agnostic, founder friendly fund aiming to address the funding gap for early stage founders in Italy. IFF's portfolio include companies like Glout and Jet HR, with a focus on providing high conviction lead investment at the pre-seed and seed stages. While Italian startups have seen growing funding, IFF aims to further support the ecosystem, recognizing challenges faced by entrepreneurs and the potential for growth in Italy's startup landscape. Blinkit, the quick commerce company acquired by Zomato, receives rupees 300 crore in fresh capital infusion, highlighting Zomato's continued investment in Blinkit's growth and expansion. Blinkit's dominance in the quick commerce segment underscores the competitive landscape in the retail grocery sector, with players like Swiggy Instamart, Zepto, and Tata Big Basket vying for market share. Zomato's investment in Blinkit reflects its strategic focus on diversifying its offerings and staying ahead of competitors in the evolving retail and food delivery market. The Central Bank of Peru collaborates with NPCI International Payments Limited (NIPL) to establish a fast instant payment system similar to India's Unified Payments Interface (UPI). This collaboration marks NIPL's second initiative with the central bank after partnering with the Bank of Namibia (BON) earlier. The aim is to enhance Peru's financial infrastructure and support economic advancement. The initiative aims to facilitate immediate payments between individuals and businesses while extending the utility of digital payments to the unbanked population in Peru. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.